Hey, LIVEK is back again with the YouTube channel LIVEK Talk. It's a new horizon to broadcast technology. Here we will interview and discuss about various audio and video equipment, operations and troubleshooting, AR, VR, virtual chroma. Try to find a fact, technology behind the technology. Also get fact from online graphics as well as offline graphics, technology to transmission, TV stations to earth stations. Find out the fact of automations and robotics. LIVEK, a new horizon to broadcast technology. Subscribe our channel LIVEK Talk. Be ready, light, camera, action. Hi friends, welcome back to LIVEK Talk. Today in this video, I will show you how to overcome a very common problem, especially when you work on a multi-camera platform. Whether it may be inside the studio or it may be an outdoor event. I know you must be worried to match the color tone of each camera every time when you work in multi-camera platform. To match the color tone of each camera, you need to do proper white balance of each camera. Most of guys doing white balance just holding a white piece of paper in front of camera. But this is not the right procedure to do perfect white balance, especially when you work in a multi-camera platform. You have to use a 11-step grayscale test chart to get ultimate result for white balance.
11-step grayscale chart.
11-step gray chart.
Why 11 step? 1, 2, 3, 4, 11 steps.
Right. Just reverse top
Yeah.
and bottom.
Yeah. This is a broadcast equipment tool that you use to do black balance and white balance, especially white balance,
Okay.
because the camera, in order to, like you say, white balance, you need to have the steps of the highest luminance to the lowest luminance, and then the camera will adjust itself.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's get some idea about this 11-step grayscale test chart. It is specially designed and prepared by video engineers to make camera understand the actual neutral color. The middle portion of this 11-step grayscale test chart card means the sixth block from the either side is the reference color or a reference marks for getting proper exposure and white balance of a camera. This mid color gray is actually 18% gray. Now you can ask what is 18% gray and why it is so important. Actually, it has been seen that when we make photography or videography of a average scene on average light, there are 18% gray tone is present on that particular photograph or videograph. Means 18% of lights are reflected from it. So keeping this in mind, camera sensors are made to formulate this 18% gray tone as a reference point. Since it is specially designed to get ultimate result, the cost of this 11-step grayscale test chart is little bit costly. So this is the gray chart, right?
Yes. Yes.
So I am watching that there is a 11 colors. One is top series and is bottom series, and black to white, white to black, reverse.
Yes.
What is the purpose of this gray chart, and why this kind of gray shades are given?
Because you see, when you do color adjustment, it's not adjusting any color. When you want to do adjust, it's always from the blacks. So once your blacks is always from black to white, right? So for HD adjustment, the national or rather the TV standard for HD is 11 steps gray chart.
Okay.
So that at the end of the day, you will form on the waveform monitor a X and a cross, and you'll be able to see at each level of luminance. Because each step of luminance is every stop of the iris that you open up from the close to open.
Right.
And then you will see where exactly these steps are at the electrical value on the waveform monitor.
Okay. It means it is created or developed by
video engineers in order to achieve that X graph of adjustment on the waveform monitor.
There may be different types of grayscale test chart, But in the case of broadcast industry, this one is the best. Now friends, look at the actual procedure of doing white balance in multi-camera platform using a 11-step grayscale test chart. First come to the studio. Switch on all the required lights of the studio. Then place the 11-step grayscale test chart in the middle of the studio. But keep it in mind, there should be 3 to 4 meter distance between camera and the grayscale test chart. After that, make a frame of this grayscale chart in each camera. So preparation in studio end is complete. Now move on to the program control room, means PCR. Connects the output of each camera in a professional broadcast monitor. It is better, if possible, connect switcher output to a monitor, so it becomes easy to compare and matching video from different camera side by side. It is also keep in mind that monitor should be properly calibrated. Now from the OCP of your camera, press ABB, means auto black balance, because it is recommended that must do black balance before doing white balance. After that, press AWB button of your camera OCP to perform the auto white balance, keeping all the RGB rotary switch in the middle position. You can connect waveform monitor to get accurate result. So friends, please comment how you like this video. Bye bye.